Alright, this Mapes polymer adhesive. This can be used for your grout sealer. You use this in the place of water. You can also use this concrete bonding adhesive. Now, this is for sealers. Let me show you something. This is a rubber content. Look at this here. It stretches. This is the bonding, concrete bonding adhesive. So it puts rubber into your grout and it creates a sealer for your grout. So check this out. Now I just did a video. I'm getting ready to do a video on top coating my kitchen floor tile. I have a live video from yesterday when I was doing the prep, cleaning them out and going down about 1/8 of an inch or so I could do this top coat. You don't have to remove all the grout in order to recolor, refresh your grout. So check out my next live video, Ken's Home Improvement Tips, where you see everything up close and personal. And as always, save for future reference, tell a friend, and never give up, because there's always a way, always. Bye for now. God bless. Now this is fairly thick. And like, subscribe. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye for now. Let me know what you think. Bye. And let's pray for this world and this country.